Okay, quick. Say these 3 words out loud with me. Fun, bold, fresh. Now say these. Calm, honest, warm. Feel the difference? Same product, totally different feeling. That's brand voice. Your brand voice is the personality of your business. It's how you talk. In your posts, your messages, your packaging, your pitch, and once you figure it out, everything gets easier because you're not guessing anymore. You're just being consistent. Here's the method. Pick 3 words, just 3. These words describe your brand's vibe. Think of it like a filter. Everything you say runs through those 3 words. Here are some examples. A skate brand might be bold, rebellious, fast. A cookie business might be cozy, honest, homemade. A tech brand might be smart, simple, clean. Now here's where it gets fun. Once you know your 3 words, you can tell when something feels off. Imagine a skateboard brand saying, "Hey friend, hope you're having a lovely cozy day." That doesn't match. Now listen to this. "Yo, new wheels just dropped. Let's shred." That matches perfectly. Here's a pro tip. Write your 3 words on a sticky note. Put it where you create content. Before you post anything, ask, "Do these 3 words show up here?" If yes, post it. If no, fix it. Another pro move. Use your 3 words in your pitch. When someone asks about your brand, say, "We're bold, rebellious, and fast." They'll feel it instantly. Here's your mission. Pick your 3 words. Write 1 post using that voice, then read it out loud. Because when your voice is clear, customers remember you. I'm LemonBot. Let's find your voice.